Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Going to take up the FMS Kingfisher with easy lights on it. That way I can see it because the sun has gone down. Light's starting to fade, so visibility is more of an issue now. But those easy lights seriously do help. They're just velcroed on. They're rechargeable, and you buy a set for about anywhere from 25 to 20 to 30 bucks. They come with a charger, and you just velcro them on. And now, one word of the wise: if you're going to velcro these on your plane, put them on either plastic parts of the plane or bare foam. Don't velcro them anywhere to where you've got painted foam, because otherwise you'll be flying along and you'll see this little light come falling right off, because 99% of these planes now have water-based paint and it will peel right off, and the vibration of that light against the wind will cause that velcro just to detach from the plane, and now you've got a nasty little white patch on your plane that wasn't there before. Not to mention you've lost your light. So now the other thing you could do is go in there and sand off that paint, and then hot glue or glue in that little patch of velcro, and it ain't going to come off then, but that's entirely up to you. All right, let's see if we can't land this booger bear here. A little pop and go there. I gotta tell you, if you're looking for a nice, you don't want to buy the Turbo Timber Evolution. You don't want to pay that, you know, three and a half or $339 or whatever it is for one. This right here is a nice alternative. Very nice alternative. Yes, it doesn't have lights, but think about these easy lights. I can just move them from plane to plane to plane, you know. So if you buy a plane, you're thinking, man, I wish it had lights. Right here is an alternative for you. Put some easy lights on them. I wish they had you hit a button on the side and they have different types of strobes and but they don't have a constant on. I wish they had a constant on. I really do. That would be great. A little bit of a knife edge here. Knife edging with the Kingfisher. All right.
Landing flaps.
See if I can't get a landing out of this bad boy. Remember, landing's more about throttle than anything else. Really, it is.
Landing flaps.
It's more about throttle than anything else. All right, see if we can do that again. Keep your wings level, keep your nose up, and let that throttle dictate where you touch down at. There you go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Understand too, there's a little bit of wind tonight, and this plane has no gyro, no kind of wind mitigation, nothing like that. So whatever the wind does is what the wind does. There, walking the dog a little bit. Flaps are still down. This is fun. This is so much fun. Touch and go. Let's see something. Nope. I want to do a tight loop. Let's see if it rolls out of it.
Time remaining 2
Yep.
minutes.
All right. Let me show you that. All right. I thought this thing was doing that. It'll roll out. It'll roll sideways out of a loop. Okay. Here's a loop. Watch. It'll roll out of it. I didn't do it that time. What I mean is when you do a type straight up loop, okay, watch. Yeah, well, maybe not. I didn't do it that time either, but sometimes it'll kick out to one side. Well, right now, it's getting dark.
Landing flaps.
So them lights are really becoming a necessity now. Landing with the wind. There we go.
Flaps up.
All right, we'll take her up one more time. Run a 2700 3S Hobby Star. Yeah. Yeah.
Landing flaps.
We'll try to land actually on
Time remaining 1 minute.
the runway. Keep the wings level, letting my throttle dictate when I touch down. Oh, we can do better than that. We'll do it without flaps this time. No flap landing.
Takeoff flaps.
We'll do takeoff flap landing this time, maybe. Maybe that'll help. You know, I want to do a nice no bounce landing. That's what I'm wanting. Oh yeah, okay, that's what we'll do. She hit some bumps, so I couldn't help that. Well, folks, there you go.
Flaps up.
That is the FMS Kingfisher 1400 millimeter bush plane. Great plane, beautiful plane, very stable, a whole heck of a lot of fun to fly. And put them easy lights on there. They're just great, just a great little addition. Folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.